everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, my name is Shaniqua Lachey, and I am here with another video for you guys. And in this video, I am going to be doing a flat twist out, and the products that I will be using will be announced in the video because right now I do not know what I'm going to use. So I'm going to wash my hair off camera, and I may do a deep condition also. And I'm going to set up under the dryer for maybe about 15 minutes with the deep condition in, and then I will come back to you guys with freshly washed hair, because now it is not freshly washed, it is actually a week old. This is an old perma set that I did maybe at the beginning of last week, and it's looking a little rough, I must say. So I am going to wash this out and give you guys another video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to, like I said in my intro, I am going to be doing a flat twist out, and the products that I'll be using is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. And as always, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner. And you know, I always start off using my wild hair growth oil, and I just put that all throughout my hair. Okay, so right now I'm about to go through and try to detangle my hair a little bit. But first I want to add some leave-in conditioner all over. This video, I'm going to try to make this video pretty quick because I don't want to hold you guys too long. Like my other videos, they are pretty long. especially if I want to show you guys how I do it in the future. I just want to say that to do the back of my hair was so hard. Like, it was extremely hard, and I'm so happy to be done with this. So I don't know how that's gonna come out, but we shall see. It might be looking a mess, child. let this dry overnight, and because it's so hot to be sitting up under a hair dryer. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and I will come back in the morning or in the evening, whenever, and I will show you guys the takedown and what it will look like when just taking that. Okay, I am back. It has been a full day and a half that I've had these twists in, and they are looking nice. I have been wearing my hair like this since I did the twist yesterday morning. So now let's take them down. And to take them first, before I take them down, I'm going to go through my hair and I'm going to grease my scalp or oil my scalp. I'm going to put the Mielle Organics oil throughout my scalp like so. Okay, this is what it's looking like now before I fluff it out. So right now I am about to go through and fluff it, and then we will see the final results. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more videos from me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social medias. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. They will all be in the description box below. And stay tuned for more videos from me. And also follow my lip gloss page. Do not forget about that. I have a lip gloss collection, not collection, but like it's gonna only be maybe 4 colors that I'm gonna come out with. So I am so excited to show you guys that. And I'm also going to be trying to do more things to sell, more products to sell that I'm still working on. I really want to work on selling some hair products, but I'm still doing a lot of research on it to figure out how I'm going to do it and what I need to use and all that. So just stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.